Now let's look at problem 2b. So 2b is about matrix multiplication where they have given two matrices A and B and you have to prove that A square minus 5b is equal to 5c. So here A and B both are 2 by 2 matrix. So before I jump onto the problem, I'll show you how do you multiply a 2 by 2 matrix. So suppose the first matrix is A, B, C, D, and we are multiplying with another 2 by 2 matrix, that is P, Q, R, S. So remember, while multiplying matrix, we always multiply the row of the first column into the column of the row of the first matrix into the column of the second matrix. So it's always take the rows of the first matrix into the column of the second matrix. So I'll show you how. Suppose and product of a 2 by 2 matrix will also be a 2 by 2 matrix. So what will come in this space, which is the final matrix, where this is the first row and the first column. So the number that will come is, first we take the first row. So we take the first row of the first matrix into the first column of the second matrix. So the result in the first slot will be nothing but A into P plus B into R. So let me write that down. A into P plus B into R. Now we come to the second row, but we are still in the first column of the product matrix. So how will this will be? This will be nothing but, since we are coming to the second row, it will be the second row of the first matrix into the first column. So here it will be C P plus D R. It's simple. It's C into P plus D into R. Now we are coming back to row 1, but we are in the second column. So how do we do this? So since we are in the row 1, again we have to multiply the first row of the first matrix into the second column, since we are in the second column. So it will be A Q plus BS. Now finally come to the last slot, which is nothing but the second row and the second column. So it's nothing but second row of the first matrix into the second column of the second matrix. So what will that be? CQ plus DS. So that's how we multiply a 2 by 2 matrix. Now let's come to the problem. So the problem, what they say is they need to find out A square minus 5b square is equal to 5c. So let's find out what is A square. A square will be nothing but this is A. We multiply it again by the same matrix, that is A, so that will give us A square. 4. So as we have seen, it is going to be a 2 by 2 matrix again, since we are multiplying a 2 by 2 into 2 by 2 also gives a 2 by 2 matrix. So this is the first row. So first we'll multiply the first row into the first column, that is nothing but 1 into 1 plus 3 into 3. As you see, 1 into 1 plus 3 into 3. Now we come to the second row, but the first column. So we'll be multiplying the second row again into the first column. So that will be 3 into 1 plus 4 into 3. Now we come to the second column, but again the first row. So again we'll be multiplying the first row into the second column out here. So it will be nothing but 1 into 1, 1 into 3, 1 into 3 plus 3 into 4. Now we come to the last one, that is row 2, column 2. So again we have to take this row 2 out here and multiply into column 2. So that will be 3 into 3 plus 4 into 4. 3 into 3 plus 4 into 4. Now the resultant matrix will be 1 into 1 plus 3. 1 into 1 is 1, 3 into 3 is 9. So that will be 10. Now 3 into 1 is 3, 4 into 3 is 12. 12 plus 3 is 15, and here is 3 plus 12. That is again 15. Now this 3 is 9. 9 plus 16, that is 25. Now let's find out what is b square. So b square will be again b into b. So let's write down what is matrix B, that is 2 minus 2 1 minus 3 2 into minus 2 1 minus 3 2. So we have the resultant matrix out here. So this is the first row and this is the first column. So the first will be minus 2 into minus 2 plus, this will be in a bracket, and 1 into minus 3, and second row will be the row 2 into column 1, that is minus 3 into minus 2 plus 2 into minus 3. Okay, now coming to the row 1 column 2, that will be row 1 into this column of the second matrix. So row 1 is minus 2 into column 1 1 plus 1 into 2. Now coming to the last lot, it is nothing but row 2 into column 2. So that is minus 3 into 1 plus 2 into 2. So now let's go ahead with it. So minus 2 into minus 2 is plus 4 plus 1 into minus 3, that is minus 3. And here minus 3 into minus 2 is plus 6, and 2 into minus 3 is minus 6. So minus 6. Here minus 2 into 1 is minus 2, and 1 into 2 is 2. Minus 3 into 1 is minus 3 plus 2 into 2 is 4. So the resultant matrix will be nothing but 4 minus 3 is 1, 6 minus 6 is 0, minus 2 plus 2 is 0, minus 3 plus 1 is 1. So the resultant matrix is 1 0 0 1. I've just cleaned the portion on the right hand side so that we can go ahead with the problem. So now we need to find out what is a square minus 5b. A square minus 5b square. So A square we know is this matrix 10, 15, 15, 25 minus 5 times B square. B square is this matrix, it's 1, 0, 0, 1. Now we multiply this with 5, so that will result in nothing but 5, 0, 0, 5. So we just copy the same value out here, 0, 10, 15, 15, 25. Now if we subtract this, while subtracting, we subtract it individually. So 10 minus 5 is 5, 15 minus 0 is 15, 15 minus 0 again is 15 out here, and 25 minus 5 is 20. So a square minus 5b square is equal to this matrix. Now this is also is equal to 5c. Now this matrix, if this is equal to 5c, c would be nothing but all the elements. If we divide all the elements divide by 5, the matrix that remains would be nothing but 5c. So it will be 5 times 1, 3, 3, 4. So if you see, if you multiply this matrix into 5, that is, this would be 5, 15, again 15 here, 20 here. So that is what this matrix is. Now if this is equal to 5c, we can say c is now 1, 3, 3, 4 matrix.